Hello students, welcome in chapter 11 conics. Students, today I continue our new topic. It is a parabola. After ending our circle, we going ahead parabola. Students, in parabola there are total 4 cases. In the first case, standard equation of parabola, y square is equal to 4ax, a more than 0. Students, in the parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, one point is coming there, that is called one of the main parts. It is called eccentricity. Yes, here eccentricity we taking here according to definitions, E is equal to 1. So first of all, I introduce to our parts main in the way of circle. Eccentricity you will take 0. Next, in parabola, I explain you what is the eccentricity, but that is the definitions. In the E equal to 1, in ellipse E less than 1, and in hyperbola E more than 1. These all are the 4 standard definitions wise, we cover that. Now I go to y square is equal to 4x. That is a standard drawing. X-axis, y-axis, origin. There is a vertex, and here one of the curve moving positive direction of x-axis, that's your y square is equal to 4x curve, that one. Here traveling some distance a from origin, that's called point a comma 0, and that is your focus S. Same distance travel opposite directions of the origin, the same distance here a dash point, which is minus a0, and here you will make one of the straight lines, and that line is called your simple, our parts of that opposite to focus sides, your directrix equations. Yes students, opposite to focus, it is called your directrix. So here write down directrix, and that is equation is x is equal to minus a, and one point on the parabola P x comma y, suggestion, and exactly perpendicular distance to traveling on up to directrix, that point is M. X coordinate is same minus a, and how much height is y. Now I going to that eccentricity E is equal to 1. Students, here parabola in eccentricity E is equal to 1, but what is the E? E is eccentricity for SP upon PM both ratio, that is called eccentricity. So what is the definition of eccentricity? Yes, ratio between focus to any point on the curve and any point on the curve to distance travel from up to directrix, and that is called your eccentricity. In circle there is no eccentricity, that's why I not explained there, but here I go to the definition wise. Now if you cross multiply, SP is equal to PM, SP square is equal to PM square, making square, and apply your distance rule, S to P. X minus a whole square, y minus 0. Now P to M, x plus a whole square, and y minus y. And simple students, you calculate in the easy way. Here x square, 2xa, a square. Same is here x square, 2xa, a square, and that is 0. You check that your value is a square gone, x square gone, only y square is equal to twice xa plus twice xa. It will cover 4ax, and that's your standard equation of parabola. After that you will write down main points. Yes, main points. First point, standard equation of parabola. After ending this drawing, y square is equal to 4ax having vertex 0 0. Second, yes, focus. Students, you will cover as a comma 0, I told about that this focus. Now go to third equation of directrix. Exactly opposite to focus. Yes, here O is a midpoint between S and S. So directrix x is equal to minus A equations. And fourth, now I go to latus rectum. One more word coming here. Perpendicular distance to focus. This is a 90 degree. L and L dash. Again repeat. Latus rectum. Latus rectum means L to L dash, but exactly 90 degree making with the focus. So here length of latus rectum, either in shortcut L of LR. Yes, length of latus rectum L dash, it is 4 modulus A. Why it is 4 modulus A? I explain you one more also, semi latus rectum. Students, I explain now why it is 4A coming. Here LS, either SL 2 modulus A, because it is actually point covered to A. Here x coordinate A same as perpendicular, and this A put it here in the way of x plus. What do you get? Y is equal to plus or minus 2A. One kind of here 2A, other is a minus 2A. That's why you take the distance formula. A minus A 0, 2A, 2A, 4A. That I mentioned here 4A. And endpoints of latus rectum. It is called simple SL. Our answer is A comma 2A and L dash similarly A comma minus 2A. And 6 point. Yes, 6 point is a parametric point, students. Parametric point. Parametric means any point on the parabola which is 8 square twice 80, but T belongs to R. 8 square twice 80. And these are 6 main points you by heart for this figure number 1. Students, actually here I explained total 4 figures. 4 types of data. Yes, and that is your first case here, students, easily over. Now I going to case number 2. Standard equation of parabola, y square is equal to minus 4x, here a less than 0. Yes, an equation easily derived by the same calculations, but drawing area is changed. And parabola eccentricity is taking 1 again. So in the second way, you plot the drawing. In this case y, here x, here origin, and you will cover to your parabola in these sides now. Negative sides of x-axis. Distance travel same. Here a distance traveling point a comma 0. Same as distance travel A, students, here point S minus a comma 0 on x-axis. That's called focus here. That is your focus. Yes. And similarly here you can draw one of the line. It is exactly opposite to that focus. It is a directrix, which is x is equal to A. And one point you taking on the parabola to the focus and towards the directrix is M. That is x coordinate A, but y coordinate is y. Because how much height? Height is y. Now SP upon PM, it is your eccentricity, and easily I finish this parabola equation. So here also eccentricity, SP by PM taking 1. So SP is equal to PM. You will cover distance formula. So making square on both sides. SP square is equal to PM square. Apply on it now distance formula. X plus A plus y minus 0. Now P to M. X minus A, y minus y. And totally expand. And you get this equation of parabola. Y square is equal to minus 4ax. Students, here x square 2xa a square y square, same x square 2xa, and that is 0. Now you will check your x square gone, a square gone. Only you have to twice xa plus y square minus twice xa. So what is the y square? Yes, minus twice xa minus twice xa. So your answer y square is equal to minus 4x. That's your standard equation of parabola, this curve. So you mention in the drawing y square is equal to minus 4x. Now point is same. Standard equations just here change. You will write down minus 4x. Again write fully all 6 points. Vertex same. Focus minus a 0. Directrix x is equal to a only. Length of lateral rectum same as this change. Yes. Here I will go to lateral rectum. Exactly 90 degree made at the passing through focus. X coordinate a. So L and L dash minus a comma minus a. Here 2a but in third quadrant. Here 2a but in second quadrant. So L become here students minus a, that is plus and that is minus. Yes, that is your end point of latus rectum, minus a comma 2a and minus a comma minus 2a. And students, semi latus rectum means this semi, L to S, either S to L dash. And parametric equation same, but only that change x coordinate, here a minus 80 square twice 80. And that's your students, our second case is also happily done. Now I going to third standard equation of parabola. In the third case, totally 4 cases available. In all 4 cases you first of all properly understood, and then after very easily our numericals. So here x square is equal to 4by. That's the third case. So third case, moving ahead to your graph towards positive y-axis. That's your y. Here a curve, x-axis. Here an origin 90 degree. And that's the y dash. Students, here traveling some distance b. That points is 0 comma b. It is your focus. And same distance travel to opposite sides of the focus. Here point is b dash 0 comma minus b, because negative y-axis is that. And here you will take one of the line exactly passing through onwards b, that is directrix. And that directrix is students y cutting minus b plus. And here now you will take 1 points to exactly this side. Either this side also cover any sides. Both sides it's a exactly same values cover. I will go to here point P, x comma y, any point, and that is the perpendicular points is M. Is exactly our y coordinates be same, but x coordinate here unknown, because this distance is parallel to x axis. So this has x and y axis is the same minus b. Now same going, eccentricity E, SP upon PM, which is 1. So students, SP is equal to PM, and cover to SP square is equal to PM square. And take, yes, what is taking? Simple take our distance formula. So students, S to P, our x minus 0 square, y minus b square. Same P to M, x minus x square, y plus b square. So x square, y square 2yb b square 0, y square 2yb b square. And simple students, you will calculate easily your equation of parabola. In third case, x square is equal to 4by. You check here, y square gone, b square gone. Only your data, x square is equal to 2yb plus 2yb. It is how much? 4yb. And that's our first and second. Now a third case is done here. Now after the students, I will cover to here parabolas, standard form and easily equations. So now students, after ending that, I will go to standard equations of parabola. You can write down x square is equal to 4by, vertex 0 0 same. Focus change now, it is 0 comma b, that's your focus. Now equation of directrix, y is equal to minus b, length of lateral rectum 4b, semi-lateral rectum 2 modulus b, and this is a change, end point of lateral rectum. This is changing, students. You can just cover here, end point lateral rectum is here passing through L s. Y coordinate same b, here also b, but x coordinate twice b, double that positive, here negative, means your data is at 2b comma b and minus 2b comma b. Why 2b cover? You put it here x coordinate in the equations, y coordinate b, x square is equal to 4b square, x is a plus or minus 2b. And last, our parametric form, this is a change, 80 square twice 80, here change twice bt comma bt square. Yes, you check here, x coordinate 2bt, put it 2bt means 4b square t square, here put it 4b square t square, both side balance. And that's your, students, our third case is done. Point wise you mention properly 6 cases, and now I go to fourth. Standard equation of parabola minus 4by. Yes, it's covered to now. Fourth case, negative sides of y-axis. Again parabola eccentricity only 1, and what is eccentricity means? Ratio of s to p and p to m is equal to 1, and that is ratio is covered to eccentricity. Now I go to point number 4, x-axis, here 90, y-axis, and your parabola moving this sides to that, and very easy. Here a traveling distance b at some place 0 comma minus b on the y-axis, exactly same distance travel on positive. Here point is b, your 0 comma b, and here you go to one of the line passing through on it. It is called directrix. Y is equal to b, and students, here focus to taking one points, and that is the exactly perpendicular on it is point p, x comma y. This side also taking, it is true that, don't worry it, any one side you taking, and here m points, y coordinate is b fix, but x coordinate is unknown, because I will go to distance traveling to some distance here x, this is also x distance. Now same taking, eccentricity E, sp by pm is 1, so sp is equal to pm. Now sp square is equal to, students, pm square. Now you will take our distance rule, s to p with p to m. S to p is your x minus 0 whole square plus y plus b whole square. Here same as exactly here, students, your x minus x whole square, but y minus b whole square. Expand it, x square y square 2yb b square, here 0, y square 2yb b square, and you will check your values covered to y square gone, b square gone. Only I have x square is equal to minus 2yb minus 2yb, it will cover to minus 4yb, and that's the, students, your equation of parabola. Fourth case is done. Now go to length of lateral rectum and endpoint lateral rectum. Here you will take one of the lines L and L dash, exactly perpendicular to focus. It is y coordinate is fixed minus b. Here also y coordinate fixed minus b, but x coordinate 2b. Here also 2b. But third case, so here negative, here positive. That's a cover here. Endpoint of lateral rectum 2b comma minus b and minus 2b comma minus b. This also change, here minus, your x square cover to minus 2b. This change, x square is equal to minus 4by. This similarly, this minus, because focus you cover 0 comma minus b. Directrix, y is equal to plus b. This same, that already I change here. And after this drawing, you will write down, students, all points. Now here 4 cases done. Now I start Simple. Our short examples. Example number 5. Now the 4 case related, our example is start now. So in the according to given, first of all we write down our standard questions. Yes, for the given parabola, example 5. Parabola given y square is equal to 8x. Find first of all focus, next axis means main axis, next equation of directrix, and L of LR, length of latus rectum. Very easy. First of all, you choose your given questions is what is the figure, first, second, third or fourth. Y square is equal to something positive, it is a first case. So we draw here our drawing. Compulsory you also draw here x-axis. In that way we cover two parabola in these sides. And equation is y square is equal to 4ax. Exactly, focus is here. Here your directrix, 90 degree made you. Exactly 90 made as students. Very easy. Y square is equal to 8x. I will compare with y square is equal to 4ax. So 8x is equal to 4ax. X gone. A is equal to 2. Now easily done. Focus. So students, my focus is a comma 0 according to drawing 2 comma 0. Now axis on x-axis. Actually you are asking your equation of curve y square is equal to 8x moving on which sides major axis, that it is your towards the x-axis, symmetric about x-axis, that's why I written here x-axis. Now second, now third, equation of directrix. My directrix is a x, this side a x is equal to minus a, it is minus 2. And last, length of latus rectum, which is covered to 4 modulus a. This is the length of latus rectum. Already I explained the figure. L less 90 degree that. So 4, what is the a? 2. So my answer is exactly 8. Example 6. That also easily be moving ahead. 6th question. Yes, find the equation of parabola. Equation of parabola whose focus 2 comma 0 and equation of directrix, we will given that x is equal to minus 2. It means exactly opposite to these questions. This answer given, your answer cover here in this sums, y square is equal to 8x. Students, here also you compulsory you can made your drawing first, because focus 2 0, it means which axis focus? 1 and 2 here focus. So your parabola towards the x-axis. Here your directrix exactly cover. Opposite to that, here distance is 2, that side also 2 students. So this cover is minus 2 0. My equation is x is equal to minus 2. That's our plotting. But equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Easily done. So given focus 2 comma 0, you will check a comma 0. So what is a? 2. According to directrix, x is equal to minus 2. That's why actually you going to method wise SP by PM, you will cover equations. And now standard equation of parabola. Students, standard means what? Yes, it is vertex is 0 0, then it is standard. Other parabola is also available. My equations, y square is equal to 4ax, but I will put it only a is 2, so my answer is 8x, 4 to the 8. And that's your simple way. You check your answer is again coming that. Yes. Now continue. Example number 7. Example 7 also in same way running. Yes, vertex is 0 0 and focus given 0, 2. Find equation of parabola having vertex 0 0 and your focus 0, 2. Only focus given, student, 0, 2. Simple way. 0, 2 means lies on which axis? Yes, it is y axis. So we will cover our drawing in this way. Here 1, here 2. That's your points. 0, 2 on y axis, and here given focus S. So definitely your parabola moving that side. Exactly cover here 0, minus 2. Your directrix, this x-axis, and your directrix. Don't worry, directrix not given, but vertex given, no. So very easy, your equation is x square is equal to 4by. So according to focus, students, you will cover to 0, 2. I will write down 0, b. b is equal to 2. So standard. Yes, our answer is standard equation of parabola, that is x square is equal to 4by. X square is equal to 4b. b is what? 2. y same 8y. And that simply, easily your answer is done, students. Now going ahead, example number 8. In the 8th one is a IMP question. Yes, it is exam oriented numericals. Find the equation of parabola to symmetric about y-axis. Find equation of parabola is symmetric about y-axis, comma, vertex 0 0 and passing through. Yes, students, passing through given 2, minus 3. Symmetric about y-axis means, yes, either it is third case, either fourth case. And symmetric about after that going to passing through. Students, I first plot our passing through points. You easily judge 2, minus 3 means here exactly 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You are here passing through 2, minus 3. Now here two cases available. Symmetric about y-axis means your graph going this sides, passing through P, but symmetric y, it means it is you y sides you going the curve. If you wrote symmetric about x-axis, your graph is going that way, in this way. Yes, I will cover to symmetric y, so this side I go to my graph, this and this passing through. Now very easy. Yes, here some directrix, they are known, don't worry. But here we assume, suppose required parabola. What was parabola fourth case? X square is equal to minus 4by, which is symmetric about y-axis, and check that, and passing through, yes, and passing through P 2 comma minus 3. You just put down there x value is 2, y value is minus 3. So students, you will get 2 comma minus 3. Your equation x square is equal to minus 4by. I have x2, y is minus 3. It is a 4 is equal to 4 into b into 3. 4 cancel. 4 and 4 cancel. B is equal to, students, exactly you will cover 1 by 3. And this 1 by 3 put again. So here my final answer is done. Therefore, required parabola x square is equal to minus 4by. X square is equal to minus 4. But what is the b? 1 by 3 is y. Your answer is 3x square is equal to minus 4y. Yes, students. Here you multiply 3x square is equal to 4by. Either x square is equal to 4 by 3y. All is the same. And here, students, your example 8 till up to here this first case for the parabola. Students, 4 case I explain here. One of the y square is equal to 4x. Second, y square is equal to minus 4x. Third, x square is equal to 4by. And fourth, x square is equal to minus 4by. This all 4 case and simple example, students, I had done. Now here I part the students stop here, and further explanations for the exercise 11.2 I will go to in next parts. Bye bye.